Step-by-step visualization guide for people that can visualize. For everyone studying Neville Goddard and his teachings, you already know how they revolve around imagination and visualization. For many people, visualization comes easy, but others struggle when it comes to imagining and feeling it real. So, what can we do to overcome this? Is there a solution? Fortunately, yes, there is. In this video, I will give you the exact steps on how to overcome this step by step and how to visualize correctly. Also, later in the video, I will give you a tip on what to do if everything else fails. Check the timestamps as well and skip if you wish. Okay, let's start. Step number 1. Clear your mind. Before starting, try to clear your mind and be calm. Maybe some breathing techniques can help, or anything that helps you calm down. For me, it helps to feel a bit sleepy before starting imagining. Step number 2. Keep your eyes closed. First of all, try to visualize with your eyes closed. Some more experienced people can do it with open eyes. But for most of us, closed eyes is far easier to visualize because we don't tend to focus on distractions of our environment. Step number 3. Blur the image. Start visualization with just an image. It is almost like looking at an old blurred photo at this stage, but trust me, it will get more clear and more vivid. So start by imagining your desire as a still photo. Step number 4. Focus. It is natural for your mind to wander. Just try to remember about your desire to start focusing again on the visualization and onto the still photo. Step number 5. Add details. Later, try to get into the still photo and imagine more details of your desire. So when you start to imagine more details about it, even more details will come to your mind and it will start moving slowly. Just focus on your desire. It will still be kind of blurred, but it will be more like a feeling accompanying the blurred photo. Slowly, things will start moving. Hey, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you enjoy this kind of content. Okay, let's move on. Step number 6. Repeat. Repeat, repeat and repeat. Repetition will make it not only more vivid, but also more believable. You may have to repeat it 20 times. Don't give up. Once you get the technique, you will be able to do it in no time with just a few repetitions. Step number 7. The SAT state. The state akin to sleep. While repeating the scene in your mind, you will get into the SAT state, the state akin to sleep. Then everything will become more vivid and more clear. The photo will become like a scene, almost like a video, clear and lucid. Try not to fall asleep and just keep repeating. And if your mind begins to wander, refocus your attention again to the desire. Step number 8. Include all senses. Try to use other stimuli as well. Try to incorporate your hands or your feet. For example, like the ladder experiment, by feeling your limbs, touching your desire, smelling it, etc. This will help significantly with the visualization to feel real. Step number 9. Feel it. Feel it. Sometimes the imagined scene will not be 100% clear, and that's okay. As long as you can feel it is real, and as long as you have the feeling of touching, hearing, smelling, etc., your desire, you're good to go. Step number 10. When to do it. Don't do it when you are too tired, because you may fall asleep before the visualization part, and also it will make it even more difficult to imagine. Do it when you feel relaxed but slightly drowsy. Still, if you have absolutely no luck with this, keep trying and it will come easier to you. Otherwise, you can always utilize the next tip that I'm going to give you. And if you still can visualize, use the lullaby technique. Fortunately, I have an entire video dedicated to this technique. Watch it here.